Ever scrolled past an ad on YouTube or Instagram and thought, wait, I could do this for my business? Well, guess what? You absolutely can. In today's digital world, attention is currency. And the businesses who know how to use Google Ads, Meta Ads, and a few smart tools, they win. So grab a coffee, take notes, because I'm breaking down how to launch your digital marketing journey from scratch in 2025 without wasting your budget. 1. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing isn't just ads. It's every online strategy that brings people to your brand, builds trust, and eventually sells. Think of it as a digital funnel. People discover you Google, social media. They learn about you, content, website, and they decide to act by sign up, etc. You're going to use platforms like Google Ads for people who are searching and Meta Ads to get in front of people who didn't even know they needed you yet. 2. Getting started with Google Ads. Let's start with Google Ads. These are the ads you see when you Google something like best wireless headphones. You want your ad to appear when someone is already looking. That's called search intent. Here's how you do it. 1. Go to ads.google.com and set up your account. 2. Use the Google Keyword Planner. It's free to find what people are actually searching for. 3. Pick keywords that are relevant but not too expensive. If you're a local bakery, best birthday cakes near me beats cake. 4. Create a short ad, a headline, and a few lines. Keep it specific, like order custom cakes in 24 hours, free delivery in Accra. 5. Link that ad to a relevant landing page. If you promise custom cakes, don't send people to your blog post about baking tips. 3. Structuring Google campaigns. Now don't just throw all your ads into one basket. Google rewards structure. You want to break your campaign into ad groups. For example, one ad group for birthday cakes, one for wedding cakes, one for desserts near me. This way, each ad is laser-focused. Your quality score improves, and you pay less per click. Win-win. 4. Meta Ads, Facebook and Instagram. Let's move to Meta, where people scroll for fun, not to search. Your job here is to interrupt the scroll with creativity. Meta Ads are perfect for brand awareness and storytelling. Here's how to get started. 1. Create a Meta Business Suite account at business.facebook.com. 2. Define your audience by age, location, interests, or behavior. Want to sell fitness coaching to 25 to 35-year-old women in Accra? You can target exactly that. 3. Choose your objective. Want leads? Select lead generation. Want purchases? Choose sales. 4. Then build your ad. This is where you get creative. Use vertical videos, 15-30s. Add captions, people watch on mute. Use clear CTAs like book now, shop today, or watch demo. 5. Keep testing. Run 2 to 3 versions of your ad to see which works better. 5. Testing, optimization, and tracking. Great marketers don't guess. They test. Test headlines. Test images. Test your audience. This is called A/B testing. Platforms like Google and Meta let you see which version performs better, so you can double down. But to truly know what's working, you need to set up conversion tracking. Use Google Tag Manager for your website. Install the Facebook Pixel. These tools tell you who clicked, who signed up, who bought something. That way, you're not just getting views. You're getting real data, real results. 6. Retargeting and budgeting smart. Ever wonder why that shoe ad follows you around the internet? That's retargeting, and it's powerful. Use it to show ads to people who visited your site but didn't buy. They're already interested. Sometimes they just need a nudge. As for budget, you don't need thousands. Start with $5 to $10 per day on Meta, $10 to $15 per day on Google. Set a daily cap, test small, and scale what works. Use automated bidding if you're unsure where to start. It helps you get better results over time. 7. Best tools for digital marketing. Let's wrap up with tools that make your life easier. 1. Canva for ad graphics and video editing. 2. ChatGPT for writing ad copy, headlines, and captions. 3. Ubersuggest or Ahrefs for SEO and keyword research. 4. Meta Business Suite. Manage Facebook and Instagram ads. 5. Google Analytics 4. Track user behavior on your website. All these tools have free versions. Start there. Learn them, use them, grow with them. You now have a solid roadmap. Google Ads for intent, Meta Ads for awareness, and tools to power your creativity. But remember, marketing isn't about being loud. It's about being relevant. Start simple, test often, improve constantly, and most importantly, get started today, because attention waits for no one. If this helped, drop a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's grow your business one click at a time.